you today. I, Chavi Gupta, welcome you all in this session. I hope you all are safe and watching the videos regularly. Now it's time to do our next topic, that is female reproductive system. In the previous video, we have done the male reproductive system. Now we will do the female reproductive system. Now, the female reproductive system is composed of, that is, a pair of ovaries along with oviducts, vagina, cervix, uterus, and the external genitalia that are located in the pelvic region. If we see the structure of this female reproductive system, you can see that the ovaries are over here, and the fallopian tube, then uterus, then cervix, and then the vagina. Okay, so this is the first point, that the female reproductive system is composed of a pair of ovaries along with oviducts, vagina, cervix, uterus, and the external genitalia that are located in the pelvic region. Now these parts, along with a pair of mammary glands that are integrated both functionally and structurally, also supports the process of ovulation, fertilization, birth, and finally the child care. Now what it means, that when we talk about female reproductive system, we talk about the mammary glands that help in production of milk from the female body. Then it also work about ovulation, fertilization, and the birth of the child and its care. Okay, so the female reproductive system include this part also. So the female reproductive system is framed to perform different functions. So as we talk about the male reproductive system, now we will talk about the female reproductive system in detail. The first, what the functions being performed by the female reproductive system. First, it creates egg cells that are essential for reproduction, known as ova. अब यहाँ पे फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम में एग सेल्स प्रोड्यूस होते हैं. इट इज़ सिमिलर टू योर स्पर्म्स which are produced in males. So sperms are produced in males and the egg cells, that is the ova, produced in females. So at the time of fertilization, what will happen, that the system, that is a female reproductive system, releases the egg at the region of fertilization. So when the egg fertilizes in the fallopian tube, it along with the sperm. So basically what happens, the egg reaches from the ovary to the fallopian tube, and there the sperm will come in contact with the egg, and then it leads to a process known as fertilization. Then this fertilization goes on to the uterus wall, जो आपको fertilize होने के बाद एक process आपका formation हुई है, that is a zygote, and it reaches to the uterus, and then the pregnancy starts after the fertilized egg. But वी शुड नो, ये तो हमने फंक्शंस पढ़ लिए फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम के, बट एक्चुअल में वी शुड नो व्हाट आर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स दैट आर टू बी इन्वॉल्व एंड हाउ द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम वर्क्स. So this is your female reproductive system. So we will do the detailed structures of the detailing of these parts, that is ovary, uterus, cervix, and vagina, and the fallopian tube. Now the first one is the ovary. The female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovaries. Ovaries होते हैं, दो ovaries हैं, you can see at the left and the right side. So we have a pair of ovaries. So this act as a female sex organ that produces the female gamete and various hormones. Okay, like in male we have testes as a male sex organ, and here we have the ovaries as a female sex organ which produces female gamete and the hormones. These organs are situated on both the sides of the lower abdomen. मीन्स कि आपकी ओवरीज जो होती है एब्डोमेन से नीचे दोनों साइड्स पे एक एक लोकेट होती है. सो द ओवरी मेजर्स अबाउट 2 to 4 centimeter in length, which is then connected to the uterus and then pelvic wall through ligaments. मीन्स कि साइज इज 2 to 4 centimeter, बट देन वो यूट्रस से कनेक्टेड है. यू कैन सी दैट द ओवरी इज कनेक्टेड टू अ यूट्रस थ्रू fallopian tube and then the vagina through a ligament, and this ligament is basically which is helpful during your pregnancy time. Now next is fallopian tube. The fallopian tubes are a pair of muscular tubes and funnel shaped structure. Now you can see fallopian tube over here. This is a funnel shaped structure, inverted funnel over here. Okay, extended from the right and the left of the superior corners of the uterus to the edge of the ovaries. Means कॉर्नर से स्टार्ट होती है एंड देन धीरे धीरे कम होती हुई आपकी ओवरीज आपकी यूट्रस की वॉल पे कनेक्ट हो जाती है. These tubes are enclosed in small projections called fimrae. Now you can see this is the fimrae over here. These are your fimrae that hold the ovaries and catches the egg which is being produced by the ovary to the fallopian tube. Okay, these tubes are enclosed in a small projections called fimbrae that swipe over the ovaries to pick up the released ova. Ova is your egg. एग जो ओवरी ने रिलीज किया उसे फिम्ब्रे या इनफेंडिबुलम इसको पकड़ेगा एंड देन फिलोपियन ट्यूब में ट्रांसफर करेगा. देन to the infundibulum for supplying the uterus. Then each fallopian tube is covered by a cilia that functions by carrying the ovum to the uterus. अब एक्चुअली में क्या है इस फेलोपियन ट्यूब में थोड़े थोड़े हेयर्स होते हैं जो एक्चुअली में क्या करते हैं, उन हेयर्स को हमने सीलिया बोला है, जो एग आया है उसको यूट्रस की वॉल्व तक लेके जाने में हेल्प करते हैं. सो दिस इज योर फेलोपियन ट्यूब फंक्शनिंग. एंड now next is our uterus. A uterus is also called the womb. You can see this is the uterus. Just a minute. This is our uterus over here. Okay, now uterus is also called the womb. It is a muscular inverted pear shaped organ. Okay, if we talk about a pear, it will look like this. Okay, but in the female you can see it is an inverted one, this one. Okay, so this is a inverted pear shaped organ of the female reproductive system. The walls of the uterus consist of 3 layers: the inner glandular layer, the middle thick layer, and the outer thin layer. This one we will see in the video that the uterus contains 3 layers: the inner layer, the middle layer, and the outer layer with a different name. Okay, these 3 layers are maintained by ligaments which are attached to the pelvic wall, which then opens into the vagina from a narrow cervix. Now see over here, in this you can see this one is your 3 layers, फर्स्ट सेकेंड एंड थर्ड लेयर आपको यहाँ पे दिख रही है. देन ये सर्विक्स पे आ रहे हैं एंड देन नैरो ओपनिंग से ये वेजिना के थ्रू ओपन हो रहा है. ओके, then the cervical canal along with the vagina creates the birth canal. Then in the cervical canal के through आपका vagina open होता है at the time of the birth of a new child. The vagina is a muscular tube which starts at the lower end of the uterus to the outside. Now what is a vagina? Muscular है, elastic tube है जो connect करती है cervix को external body से. So it functions like 2-1. Like in the penis we have urethra which act as a which act as ejaculation of sperm from the male body and urination. Same, the vagina works as 2 functions. It functions as a receptacle for the penis in the sexual intercourse. Means at the time of sexual intercourse the penis is received by the vagina to deliver the sperm into the fallopian tube. And secondly, it functions as a birth canal during by expanding or allowing to deliver the fetus during childbirth. Okay, now next is your ovulation. When the ovaries are properly in function, they release an egg, and when the egg is released, it is known as ovulation, and it occurs once every month, and each ovary releases 1 egg at one time. Means आपका egg release होगा, that is known as ovulation, and this is done every month in a female at a particular time period. This is known as ovulation. So what we have studied is female reproductive system. Now we will see a video on the female reproductive system. Okay, now class, we will see a female reproductive system over here. Now what it says that the female reproductive system is more complex both structurally and functionally. It consists of a pair of ovaries attached with the ligaments to the uterus. Now you can see over here These are the pair of ovaries. Okay, now these pair of ovaries, the ovary produces female gametes or the ova, which in close relation to the ovary, oviduct is present. It is a funnel shaped structure. This oviduct is a fallopian tube. Now see, these are your fimbricated margins. This is known as infundibulum or fimbriae, you can say over here, and this is a funnel shaped structure. Okay, see, this is the fimbricated margin. Now you can see an egg is produced and received by the fimbriae, and it reaches to the fallopian tube and then goes to the uterus. This is your uterus over here. The uterus is a muscular bag. The wall of the uterus has 3 layers. You can see the 3 layers over here. The first is perimetrium, the outer layer, then myometrium, the middle layer, and then the endometrium, the innermost layer. Okay, and this perimetrium is the outer layer, then myometrium is the middle layer, and then endometrium is the innermost layer that lines the uterine cavity. So these were the 3 layers that I have talked about with a different name in the video earlier. Okay, now you can see over here that these 3 layers, the endometrium undergoes cyclic changes during menstrual cycle. This menstrual cycle means when the egg is released at every month. One egg is released every month, so this cycle keeps on going, and this is known as menstrual cycle. And therefore what happens, the endometrium will thicken up, and when the endometrium will thicken up, it is an indication that the uterus is ready for the receiving of a sperm. Okay, strong contraction during the delivery of the baby. Now you can see that it gets thickened up, and then what happens, under proper hormonal stimulation, अगर proper hormone secrete हो रहे body के अंदर, then the sperm will intercourse with the female egg and the ovum is produced. That is means a zygote is produced over here, and then this implantation leads to your ovum area. अब it goes to your placenta. Then what happens, आपका ये फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम में जब इम्प्लांटेशन होगा तो आपका एंडोमेट्रियम ठीक हो जाएगी, and ultimately it leads to the developing of a baby in the female body, and then secondary sexual characters will introduce in the body. So this is what we have studied about the female reproductive system. I hope this session is clear to you, and if you have any doubt you can contact me. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.